Hello, my dear students. Do you feel the pressure of career uncertainty in your life? So, don't worry. Each one of us actually go through this particular phase during the career journey. Overcoming career uncertainty is actually a challenging, but today I'm going to give you some tips with the help of which you can definitely overcome this particular challenge. So, do remember these three things. So, first, be flexible. So don't limit yourself to one particular industry or one particular role. So you have to be open, you have to be flexible. So being flexible and open will create the new doors of opportunities for you. Second important thing is networking. Build and maintain a strong network of professionals within your area of interest. So you can go and attend the industry events, also workshops, seminars. So this will help you to build your network. You can connect with your alumni also make use of online platform, that is a LinkedIn is going to help you a lot. Okay, so with the help of LinkedIn you will get connected with the industry people. You will come to know what exactly going on in the industry and current industry trends you will know. Okay, so it will open up the new opportunities also for you. Third important thing is continuous learning. You have to keep yourself updated and with the current industry trends and the skills which is required by the industry. For this actually you can take the help of your faculty, your mentors, or the industry guide, so that from that you can take the inputs and you develop yourself. Okay, invest in your professional development by doing the different courses. You can do certifications also. Okay, and keep yourself updated so that you can get the new opportunities and be industry ready. Okay, so see, uncertainty is actually a natural part of the career journey. So don't worry about it. Okay, you have to be open, you have to be proactive, and you have to be consistent. So take one step at a time and be positive during the entire journey, and definitely you can achieve your goal. Thank you.